Hello, welcome to this update for Europe. Let's see what's happening. We have this big low pressure system approaching Spain and Portugal. Will bring a lot of rain there and some wind. We have still some rain in Eastern Europe and a storm or two. And let's see further north. We have still that snow in some systems near Sweden and Norway there. So let's see what might happen. This is the GFS. It shows the low pressure approaching Spain there and Portugal. More rain today. Today is Friday, the 11th, so it shows more rain there, especially like southwestern Spain. Like Saturday, early on Saturday shows a lot of heavy rain in southern Portugal, southwestern Spain. So be careful there. And then by like late Saturday still shows some rain there. Sunday, not much. And let's see, by like Monday the 14th shows a little bit more rain throughout Spain. Next Tuesday the 15th shows more near Portugal and some more in Spain there. And after the 17th it shows a bigger system like in France and Italy in those areas. So let's see, there's that snow in Norway and Sweden mainly today, Friday. Then the system will go north, and still like late today, some snow showers in Norway there, western Norway. And Saturday shows more snow southern Norway and some rain, and more rain to like Germany, southern Denmark, and parts of Poland too, until Monday. Shows those storms in Eastern Europe continuing there until Russia and some rain. So be aware. There's the European model, shows the system Spain and Portugal, so heavy rain there. So be aware, especially later today into Saturday, that heavy rain. And shows into Sunday there, quiets down. But then there'll be the new system there. Might bring more rain like Monday and Tuesday the 15th into Spain and Portugal there again. And eventually into like France and the UK shows more. And let's see, there's this other model. It shows that system there today, Friday, more rain to Spain and Portugal, that heavy rain, and then this continues. And this system does show like a system in Ireland there, in Ireland and the UK, like on Sunday, the 13th, late on Sunday. So be aware. And it shows that cold front in Eastern Europe, more rain there into Russia, Ukraine, and other areas. And does show like today's Friday, the snow in Norway and Sweden, and the rain there into northern Finland too, and those snow showers in Norway there, and that rain like from France, Germany, parts of Poland and Eastern Europe. So be aware in those areas. And let's see, so the rain accumulation from this does show like, if I put this until Monday, shows a lot in Spain and Portugal. This model has a lot like in southwestern Spain, in parts of Portugal. Also has a lot in parts of Ukraine to Russia. It has a lot near Norway there. So be aware, in the northern UK it shows too. There's the icon, it shows like until Tuesday, shows a lot in Spain there, in Portugal, and Eastern Europe because of that cold front. So be aware. It also shows some in Turkey there, in Georgia. And then the GFS shows the same thing, a lot in Spain and Portugal, northern UK too, like Scotland, shows more in Eastern Europe, so be aware in those areas. And later on, after that, it does show more systems through France and other parts of Spain. So let's see. The European model does show until Tuesday more than 100 millimeters in Spain and Portugal, southwestern Spain, a lot in Eastern Europe and other areas there, so please be careful. We have that forecast of a level 2 parts of southern Spain and a level 1, some storms in Eastern Europe, so let's see. The level 2 across parts of southwestern Spain, mainly for heavy rainfall, Level 1 surrounds the level 2 for similar hazards, but also a small tornado threat. This level 1 covers parts of Portugal too, so be careful there. And the rain accumulation until next Wednesday, the European model shows like 196 millimeters in parts of Spain, so be careful there with the heavy rain. Cuidado com as lluvias fuertes ao sur de Espanha, see? Good. So there's the GFS, shows less, but does show some. The icon, let's see, shows more than 100 millimeters as well. And there's like the other icon, yeah. So be careful there. There's in Eastern Europe, that rain in Georgia, Azerbaijan, parts of Russia, and some rain like in the cold front in Russia there, and in Ukraine, Belarus. So be aware. In Norway there, those stuff in northern UK. And the snow shows like more throughout Norway and some in Sweden, especially northern Sweden, northern Norway, more in Iceland. Shows some snow in the northern UK there, so be aware. Shows some in the Alps, like in Switzerland, shows a little bit there. And in the Caucasus, shows more in eastern Turkey, parts of Georgia and Azerbaijan, even northern Iran a tiny bit, so be aware. Even shows a tiny bit in Russia, so be aware there. And we have the warnings there in southern Spain and southern Portugal for that heavy rain. So you can see here rain and thunderstorms. So if you go down here, you can see it in Portuguese. So if you are from there, I recommend you to take a look at this in Portuguese. And here you have in Spanish too. So be aware. Aviso de tormentas amarillo. Good. So be aware. And we also have some stuff in France. You can tap and see it in French as well. In Italy, parts of Serbia, and Finland and Norway there. Like snow or ice in northern Norway and northern Sweden. So be careful those areas. And that system near Spain and Portugal brought like some gusty winds in the Azores and some areas. Might leave a gusty wind or two near Spain, but not much. Like the last system was pretty crazy. This one not as crazy, but does show like a gusty wind or two northern Spain, some gusty winds, northern Portugal too, and yeah. So be aware. In Northern Africa, like Morocco, will also get affected by these systems, and eventually Algeria too. But mainly, like the winds in northern Morocco might be stronger, but like more rainfall, especially Morocco, a little bit in Algeria. But later on, like during the next 3 weeks, we might have more stuff in northern Algeria. Some models are showing, so we'll keep an eye on that. So let's see here. There was a crazy run from the GFS yesterday that showed like some crazy amount, like in the Pyrenees near Spain and France. So that was pretty crazy. So it was the I think the 12C yesterday. It showed like some crazy amounts. This until the 26th or something. Yes, until the 26th. So it showed some very crazy amounts there in France, Spain, more than 200 millimeters in many areas until the 26th of October. So a rainy pattern is coming. We'll keep an eye on these systems, but for today, just be aware there of that rain near Spain and Portugal, and the snow further north and those areas. So be aware. Let's just see if there's any stronger winds in any other areas. So there's the system there in the north. Might be some gusty winds near Finland in the seas there, and near the UK, like Saturday might be a little bit more, and Sunday maybe too. And Iceland, those bigger systems in the Atlantic might be a gusty wind or two near Iceland. So, but nothing that crazy. the temperatures are still cold, like in the Alps, so still colder at night there. Some higher areas and negative temperatures, and even Germany. This is Monday morning at 6 a.m. So like 2 degrees in Germany. So be aware, the northern UK, there are those negative temperatures still, and that snow, and Norway and Sweden, of course, those very cold temperatures in Finland. So be aware. And during the day might still be warmer in southern Spain, southern Italy, parts of Turkey and Greece. So yeah, bye.